Today we're talking about the upcoming Huawei Pura 80 series, one of the most talked about smartphone lineups in China right now, and it hasn't even officially launched yet. The excitement is huge. According to Huawei, the Pura 80 series has already received over 210,000 reservations. That's a massive number of people pre-ordering the phone before it's even on sale. Huawei made this announcement through its official VMall platform, showing just how popular this phone is going to be. And here's what's even more amazing. These 210,000 pre-orders happened within just a few hours of the announcement. That's super quick. While Huawei hasn't revealed the official sale date yet, it's expected that the Pura 80 series will go on sale sometime in July. Now, let's talk about the phone itself. A few days ago, He Gang, the CEO of Huawei's consumer business group, accidentally revealed the official look of the Pura 80. This little leak made people even more excited. From what we've seen, the phone has a sleek, modern, and premium design. It's already getting a lot of attention from both tech experts and Huawei fans across China. But it's not just the design that's making waves. One of the most talked about features of the Pura 80 series is its dual periscope camera setup. This is a big upgrade for Huawei's smartphones. With this new camera system, Huawei wants to give users better zoom and close-up photo options, perfect for people who love photography. This dual periscope lens system is expected to offer stronger zooming ability, provide clearer details in close-up shots, deliver photos that look professional without needing extra equipment. This shows that Huawei is really focusing on camera performance this year, and the Pura 80 series could become a top choice for mobile photography lovers. But that's not all. There's also a lot of excitement about the phone's display. A recent leak suggests that the Pura 80 Ultra model will have an even better screen than the one on the Mate 70 RS Ultimate design. This top-end model is rumored to feature a dual-layer OLED screen, which improves picture quality and color accuracy, extends the screen's lifespan, saves battery by using power more efficiently. So not only will the Pura 80 Ultra look good, but it'll also perform well and last longer. Huawei is also paying attention to style this time. The Pura 80 series might come in several stunning color options. One of the most exciting ones is a rumored special gold color that could make the phone look extra classy and luxurious. With so many great features, powerful cameras, a better display, sleek design, and attractive colors, it's easy to see why over 210,000 people have already made reservations. The excitement is real, and every day more people are joining in. Now we're all waiting for Huawei to officially reveal the full details, pricing, and sale date. If the current buzz continues, the Pura 80 series might become one of the biggest smartphone launches in China this year. So stay tuned, we'll be covering everything as soon as it's announced. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.